use Fiverr for beginner? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm gonna show you the ways to use Fiverr for beginners. So first thing, you need to start by installing the app. So head over to your Play Store or an App Store, and on the search box type in Fiverr. When you type in Fiverr, you have to go and press the install button. In my case, I happen to already install it, so you could see that I already have it. Now when you're done installing it, click the open button, and next thing you want to do is, I'm just using a browser since I already have an account, so you could see this is how it's gonna look like. So basically, to create an account, tap the tab bar icon, and then you could press the login or sign up button. When you actually do that, you need to go ahead and register with your phone number. So type in your phone number, create a password, and you have to go ahead and verify your phone number so that you could go ahead and use Fiverr ahead. And once you're done setting up your profile or creating your account, then it's time for you to go ahead and add friends or invite people onto your Fiverr. So what you can do is, to add friends, you could go ahead and click the board icon at the bottom of the page, and here you could go ahead and start adding contacts. This way you could go ahead and add people to your Fiverr. That's how you could use Fiverr. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.